YouTube channel?
Hi, it's Myra.
There you go.
Hi guys, I'm with Fro.
Hi everyone.
There you go. Hi everybody, I'm with Fro. We just finished her Fro Artistry Masterclass 2018 in Edmonton.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I learned
Of course,
so
thank you so much for coming. I love you guys. Mwah.
So hi guys, I'm with Marianne. So she's the beautiful model today.
Hi guys. What's up?
That's a wrap, guys. So we just finished the Fro Artistry Masterclass. Flashes off.
So hi guys, I am back home now. So that was such a fun event. So it was the Fro Artistry Masterclass. So here is the certificate that I got from today's masterclass. So I already framed it because I don't want to ruin it. So there, and I also have the goodie bag in here. So I'll probably do a separate video for you guys, so just in case you are interested to attend her future masterclass. So there's so much goodies in there. Thank you so much, Fro, for those amazing goodies. But yeah, I'll be doing a separate videos for that. Thank you so much, Fro and Jen and the entire team, for putting together such an amazing event. I learned so much. So if you guys are from Edmonton, Fro actually does a lot of weddings and special occasion makeup, hair. So I'm gonna put all her information down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next vlog.